pick up your speed, it'll be just this fast. You just go. Just that fast, right? But you got to get used to that your hand motions. Connect it, then you just go. Make sure that is in.
Don't try this at home.
Make sure your last piece is tucked in. Take your pipe cleaner, measure it to my navel, then secure it to the pole. Now I go in and I fix my imperfections. Make sure they all standing out. And that's why this part is like really more important than the gathering. Because if you're gathering right with your hands, some of them will be messy, but once you secure it to the pole, that's when you can go in and do you can go in and fix whatever wasn't right. So this part takes me the longest because I'll sit there and just keep on and, oh no, that's not right. And but then it reflects in my pictures.
Absolutely.
So
Images everywhere.
take your bling wrap. Now before I put these on, I've only really added it because you asked. Before I even add these, I always step back, right? Just to see if it's even. Now what I'm looking for, again, like I was telling you guys, use your positive, use your negative space. So if I'm looking for accuracy, I'm half blind sometimes, so I cannot rely on my eyes all the time to say, oh, that's even. Because to me, it looks even. But what do you guys say?
It's not. It's not.
Okay, so what do you see that's not?
One side's higher than the other. This side
What helped you determine that? Okay, good.
But I'm using the brick right here.
That's what I use. I'm trying to tell y'all. I use the bricks. Just because I need accuracy. So I know the bricks ain't gonna lie. And if the brick's wrong, then the backdrop will be wrong anyway. So I'll use the bricks. I'm like, okay, that needs to go up some. Oh, did you have to make those espresso beans? Huh? Did the trailer roll down the street?
No, so.
Oh, God. Everyone, that's Yolanda. That's my bestie, my assistant.